Alright, this is the cube prototype number 1, the white box. And basically we're going to give you guys a couple directions and then tell you to stop and brainstorm and come up with ideas on how to use it. So here's the first one.
So right now you have, the plain white box. You have a screen right here, and then the inside we have a gyro that senses motion. So it would know if you make a gesture like this, or any other angular movement. So that's what we have right now. So stop now and take a moment to brainstorm. So now that we've given you directions in the previous video, we're going to give you a little more insight on how we would think about how you could interact with this. So now, think about how you could use the box with a friend.
Imagine you're in a room of people and you're using the cube to play a game and maybe learn something. What would you see on the screen? What would the cube be doing in response to you working with it, basically? So now that we've given you 2 different types of direction on what kind of ideas you should be building by now, we want you to kind of round it out just a little bit more. Like, what size would you like the box to be? What specifically would you like to see on the screen to make it interesting? Basically, we want to make a cube that's fun and easy to use, and students can actually use it to learn. Now, we actually have a further prototype that we'll show you in just a minute, but for now, just talk about it and round out some of these ideas you just came up with.
So this is our first actual prototype, and inside you can see all the little motherboards and circuits. That's where the gyro is as well, the bottom, the sides, and the top, which is the screen, and that's basically the entire cube.
So now we'll show you our test example for our prototype. As you can see, we have a screen that has a simple multiplication problem on it with a choice of answers. And whatever answer that they want to choose, they tilt the box in the direction for the answer. And how it works is, when you tilt the box one direction, you have to tilt it again in order to submit your answer.